This video shows how to buy shares of Red River Bankshares Inc., ticker RRBI. Red River Bankshares is a regional banking company listed on NASDAQ, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RRBI to find the correct Red River Bankshares listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry for RRBI. Open the Red River Bankshares stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure it is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the trade completes. Once executed or queued, the RRBI position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the example platform link is in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.